Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you haven't subscribed to SELUK yet, you're seriously missing out. Let me give you a sneak peek into the tech utopia awaiting you. First up, imagine getting your hands on the latest gadgets before anyone else. Yup, we're talking exclusive reviews and unboxings that will make any tech nerd swoon. And not just the shiny new toys, but the nitty-gritty details that truly matter. But that's just the beginning. Stay in the loop with the freshest news in the tech world. From groundbreaking innovations to the hottest trends, SELUK has got you covered. Trust me, you'll feel like you have an insider's pass to the future. And hey, who doesn't love a great tech story? Dive into captivating tales of tech legends, startup successes, and the occasional epic fail. It's like binge-watching your favorite series, but with gadgets and gizmos. But wait, there's more. Gamers, get ready to level up with exclusive game reviews and walkthroughs. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore gamer, SELUK has the inside scoop on what's worth your time and what's not. Oh, and did I mention the giveaways? Yeah, you heard it right. Imagine winning the latest tech just by being a part of the SELUK community. Crazy, right? So, if you're all about that tech life, hit that subscribe button now. SELUK is your one-stop shop for everything tech: gadgets, news, stories, and games. Don't just take my word for it. Join the community and see for yourself. See you on the other side, Tech Tribe. SELUK, the future is just a click away. SELUK, the future.